Today I'm going to show you how to create a floor plan in Arcadium 3D. What is slightly counterintuitive is you actually start by creating a 3D design and then generate the floor plan from that. So, starting from scratch, if you have a floor plan sketch already, just drag that into the project. Make sure you scale it correctly to avoid lots of headaches later on. Then select the wall tool and draw the positions. To get precise wall lengths, you can type the length while you are drawing. Don't worry about leaving spaces for archways, doors and windows. We will create them in a second. You can also adjust the wall thickness with the blue handles or change the wall curvature by clicking the blue lines. Now you can drag in the windows, doors and archways. They'll snap into position. Drag their blue handles to adjust their size. And now if you click the floor plan view, you'll see we're most of the way there. The floor plan view is really just a top-down view with a cross section applied. The cross section lets you see the windows and doors more easily. You can adjust the cross section height here. Next, you'll probably want to add some dimensions and labels. You can do that from the labels tool. Add dimensions, add text, denote areas. And then, when you're done, you can either share the URL or print it off. That's all for now. Enjoy building.